Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Yvette. If you just find this video, then we are doing keto recipes and basic keto videos for beginners as we go on our own journey. And if you wanna get new recipes every week or get some tips what worked for us, then consider to subscribe to us. Hit that red subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Today is an unboxing video. We are going to unbox an iHerb order I made with keto goodies in it, new sweeteners I wanted to try, and we are going to use them in two different desserts to see how it is. I will tell you if it's good or not. Honestly, I never tried them before. So let's unbox the box. Alright, so here is the box. Let's open this box. So I ordered unsweetened baking chocolate. I usually use Baker's unsweetened chocolate, but this time I couldn't get it in a good price, and I bought this one, this brand. That's the first time I buy this. I have no idea if it's good or not. And it says unsweetened chocolate, very reasonable price. I bought them for 27 Swedish krona each, and as you could see, there is no sugar. So I will try this and I'll let you know if this is any good. The other thing that I am very excited about, this is monkfruit sweetener. I saw this in a video as a recommendation that it tastes like sugar, there is no aftertaste, and I hate stevia and the aftertaste of stevia. So I decided to give a try to this, and this is basically zero sugar. I'm gonna try this and tell you. Basically on this is saying this is something what had been used thousands years ago. The Buddhist monks called it luan, and they discovered this and used it as a sweetener. And basically this is an elixir to raise chi or life energy. Now I am very excited to try this. I really was looking for a good tasting sweetener. This is non-GMO, gluten-free, zero additive, zero artificial things, vegan, and yeah, it's a one-in-one sugar replacement. I'm gonna try this today in a chocolate cake and I'll let you know how it is. And then the other thing I ordered, I was very excited about this. This is Yacon syrup. I hope I pronounced it correctly. And this I ordered for pancakes. This is a powerful probiotic and low glycemic index, non-GMO, and it's perfect for pancakes, they say, but I never tried it. And I love maple syrup, but I wanted to go even lower on carbs what I eat, therefore I decided to give a try to this one. Yeah, and this one is also, I mean, it's pretty low in sugar. It's like 3 grams in one serving. Yeah, that's like nothing. Like you can have 3 grams of carbs, whatever, for a pancake. And I also got some cod liver oil, and because I felt I need more omega-3 and D vitamin, because in Sweden there is not much sun. So I was like, okay, on those days when I feel that maybe I have a bit of infection going on, then I could step it up with omega-3 to reduce infection, because omega-3 reduces infection in the body. And then I got some sugar-free vitamins for my kids from Rainbow Light. I quite like this brand. They are nice and perfect for kids. It's chewable gummies. And then I got some other stuff, but it's not keto, it's just some makeup products. And for some reason I got 3 of these mineral pearls. I don't know how this happened. I really have no idea how I ordered 3 or if I got 3 by accident. I will look at that. Yeah, so that was what was in the keto box, and now I'm gonna make the chocolate cake with the new chocolate I ordered with the monk fruit, and I'm gonna try pancake with this Yacon syrup, and I'll give you a feedback. So see you later. Alright, so pancakes are done and we're gonna try the Yacon syrup. I hope I said correctly. This is recommended by Eric Berg in his pancake video, and this says on it that it's a perfect substitute for honey or maple syrup. I love maple syrup, so let's see if this will work. And they're saying that it's actually a probiotic in itself and supports weight loss. We will open this now and we see the smell. It's very weird.
you think?
Yeah, it smells like...
It makes me to vomit, I think. If I smell it.
Yeah, smells like a fart.
Ugh! It's terrible.
Okay, let's hope it doesn't taste like a fart too.
Okay. I'm gonna give a little bit on our pancake. Maybe we should only take one pancake so the others is not ruined.
Are you afraid that it's going to ruin it?
Take the smallest. Okay, I mean the texture is very syrupy. You can see it's like very slime. Okay, I will use some cinnamon. Okay, so let's try this.
So ready to taste, honey?
Yeah, I am a bit worried about this. The taste is good.
Yeah, it tastes awesome.
Just don't smell it, but tastes like maple syrup.
Yeah, doesn't taste like fart.
It tastes like maple syrup. If I would eat this, I would have a hard time to decide if I eat maple syrup or this Yacon syrup.
Amazing.
Well, it's good, just don't smell it from the bottle, but if it's on the pancake, it's good, there is no fart smell. And it's all organic, it's at least it's written on the box that it's organic and non-GMO. We keep this instead of maple syrup. It's fun. So this company isn't organic maple syrup. I showed it to you on the beginning already. But I give you a thumbs up, it's really a good product. We are gonna try the chocolate cake and see if the monk fruit, it tastes anything or is there any aftertaste in the cake or not. So see you soon. Okay, so I tried this new baking chocolate I bought and I talked about, and it's very good. I think it's better than the baker's unsweetened chocolate. It's really good. I can eat it like this and try it out. I could recommend this. This is a good one. Okay guys, now I'm making a chocolate cake and I am gonna try the monk fruit sweetener for the first time. I'm gonna open it and we'll see how it is. And I will taste it. I can't wait to. It tastes like brown sugar. I mean, it says it tastes like real sugar, but for me it tastes like brown sugar. But this tastes like sugar, no aftertaste or anything. You can see the color, it's also a bit brownish. You see? It's very good. I'm quite happy with this. Okay, I am gonna put it in and then we see how the cake will turn out of it. Alright, so I tried monk fruit in the dessert, but I forgot about it in the oven, so it completely burned down. So we had to go to another method.
Exactly, it tastes like basically it has such a bad burnt aftertaste that there's no way that you can taste the sweetener in it. So I decided that I gave this idea to my wife that she liked, that we're going to make green tea and we're going to put one sweetener in one and the other sweetener in the other, and then we're going to taste it both and see how the aftertaste is and which one is better.
Okay, good.
So let's do that.
It smells very good. It smells totally like brown sugar. Okay, good. Are you ready to try it?
Yeah.
Okay, I will try the monk fruit. Very good. Very good.
Tastes like honey and tea. Tastes awesome.
It also tastes very good. No aftertaste whatsoever. It's like, it's sugar.
No aftertaste here either, and the tea doesn't smell like fart, but it's very mild sweet. Very mild sweet.
Try this one. I tried that one.
It's even milder. I don't even feel that anything is in here.
Yeah, this one, this Yacon syrup, I think is more for tea. You get this honey-like feeling.
I don't feel anything.
Now you can add another one. 0 carbs, so whatever.
Guys, it definitely has no aftertaste because it doesn't have a taste. So it cannot have aftertaste.
No, it tastes brown sugar, I think.
Here we go.
Okay, good. But I think we wrap this up. And I can recommend both products. Monk fruit from this Yacon company, very good product. And this Yacon syrup, organic, awesome, both non-GMO. I love them both. Okay, I think we wrap this video up now. Please subscribe to us if you want to see more of these videos, and see you in our next video. Bye bye!